Now I'm alone in my car and I'm running through my thoughts. No, I need to get away, cause my stomach's in a knot. Should I leave or stay?
Horrible flop when it came out. Nobody thought it was good.
Trying to ease my mind. Should I leave or stay? When did we get here? I guess everything
hygiene
wasn't so clear.
I've seen a few females do a hygiene video, and I've seen this girl. She made a very good video actually. But when it came to the coochie part, she always said that she washes herself with unscented soap, and that was it. That's all she talked about. And in these hygiene videos, I always hear her talk about unscented soap, yada yada yada, but I never hear her actually talk about dish and things that were actually made for the vagina. So yeah, I'm going to talk about that. As you can see, I'm 1 month away from my annual bath. I take a bath like every year, and in January I would say the 9th, around estimate, because I forgot the exact day. I know it was a few days after my birthday. Also my birthday is coming up. It'll be January the 4th. I'll be making 19 years old, so I'm getting up there. Okay, so I'll be 19 years old January the 4th. I'm sorry, y'all, so I'll be 19 January the 4th, and well, yeah, me and my peachlings, we're gonna be celebrating a whole year of me not taking a bath. I try to take a bath at least every year or two. Every 1 year or 2 years, I try to go at least as long as I can. It's something to be very proud of. You know, you bitches can never. Okay, you bitches could never in life, okay? So, I know y'all jealous, y'all can never, okay? You bitches could never. Okay, so anyways, even somebody like me, one thing about me, I feel like baths are kind of like something that people just do to please other people, to make other people they feel like it makes them fit in. You know, people want to fit in these days. But, you know, do whatever you want to do. People will do whatever they want to do with their bodies. It's your body. Do whatever you want with it. But I'm just saying, my personal opinion is I feel like people do things to fit in. And, yeah, just like everybody else. But, I do take care of myself. I dish. And I want to show y'all some things I do for hygiene. Like I said, a lot of other YouTubers, and one thing about me, I love watching YouTubers. I watch them a lot. I be watching on my TV. I be watching YouTubers on my TV, and I enjoy watching them because I find it entertaining. And yeah, it's my entertainment. I like it. So I know there's a lot of YouTubers who do hygiene videos, and I was like, let me hop on this wave because none of y'all mentioned this little thing right here. Okay, and y'all are so hygienic, but not one of y'all talked